Imagine you've targeted an attractive market segment. What's the single most important thing you can do to become the leading supplier? It's understanding customer outcomes better than anyone else. When your customer speaks, you could hear an outcome, which has obvious value and is usually stable over time, or a solution, which is just one way to deliver an outcome, but maybe not the best way, or background, which might include history, descriptions, trends, and so on. If you make conveyor belts, you might hear these outcomes or desired customer end results. Two principles are key. First, customer value is only created when an important unmet outcome is improved. Customer value is not created in your laboratory or factory, only when a customer process or product down the value chain is improved. Second, your only path to profitable, sustainable growth is customer value creation. So, the better you understand outcomes, the better your growth can be. The science of B2B customer insight is all about the study of customer outcomes. Just as a microbiologist slides a specimen under the microscope, so you can turn up the magnification on key outcomes. The first 3 levels occur during divergent discovery interviews, the next 3 during convergent preference interviews, and the rest in later steps. Consider 3 innovation maturity levels. For solution push, you start with your ideas and develop solutions you think customers want. For solution validation, you still start with your ideas, but interview customers to validate your solutions. With market insight, you start with customer outcomes. Many level 2 companies think they are learning about market needs, but they're only learning about market reaction to one idea, their idea. There's a lot of power when you move from voice of ourselves to voice of the customer. Among other things, it will allow you to dramatically slash your commercial risk, our next topic. To dive deeper into this topic, just download this white paper. And you can download this ebook to see all 30 of these videos in written form. If we can help, email us at info@theaiminstitute.com. We'd love to hear from you.